So these notes are imperative for you to be able to do the homework. You need to know how to get all the unknowns of the equation. Sum equals n over 2 a1 plus an. Sigma means sum. So we're using this formula when you see sigma and a linear equation, no exponents. When you see exponents, then you've got more of a geometric, which we're going to do too, but not right now, okay? So, in order for me to find the sum, I need n, a1, and an. And I'm going to tell you how to do it, and then we're going to do it, okay? To find the n, you do the top minus the bottom plus 1, which is 10 minus 1 plus 1. So 10 is your n. So to get the n, it's top minus bottom plus 1, which up here would be, what's 12 minus 7? 5 plus 1 is 6. See how you get your 6? See, when there's a 1 down here, the answer is going to be this guy. But when there's not a 1, do that exercise. Otherwise, you're going to get them all wrong. Okay? A1, we take the bottom number and plug in the bottom number. So that would be 2 times 1 minus 1, which is what? You go to the equation that it gives you next to the sigma, and you plug in the bottom number. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So A1 would be 1. Okay? AN, you plug in the top number. So AN is plug in top number, which would be 2 times 10 minus 1, which is 19. Everybody see what I did? Okay, so here's the formula. Sn equals n over 2, so n is 10 over 2. The first term is 1, plus the last term is 19. So it's 5 times 20, which is 100. So let's look at this series. Everybody in your calculator, go to the y equals screen and type in 2x minus 1. Type in the equation that it gives you. Go ahead in the y equals. Now we have the sigma notation from x equals 5 to 13. Actually, this, they don't put a x equals, they just put a 13 up there. Sorry. Of negative 4x plus 7. So how do I find n on your notes? You take the top number minus the bottom number plus 1, which is 9, correct? To get A1, you type in the bottom number. So negative 4 times 5 plus 7 is 13, I think. Negative 13? Somebody tell me. And then AN, you plug in the top number. So it's negative 4 times 13 plus 7, which is negative 52 plus 7, which is negative 45, I believe. Somebody check. So the formula is Sn equals n over 2, a1 plus an. Now it's just plug and chug. The sum of those numbers is 9 over 2, negative 13 plus negative 45. So the sum is going to be 9 over 2 times negative 58, which is 9 times 29, negative 29, and whatever that is. So the answer is negative 261.